Former Pakistan minister, in fact, endorsing Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi Chief Minister was endorsed by Chaudhry Fawad of Pakistan, the former minister, who spoke about the fact that dictatorship in Delhi, or in the country rather, must be in fact done away with, must be defeated, is what Fawad Chaudhry reiterated. However, this is not the first time that Fawad Chaudhry has spoken about or endorsed an Indian Neta's views. The last time around, he endorsed the views of Rahul Gandhi. The BJP went all guns blazing against him, but this time around, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has asked the former minister from Pakistan to mind his own business, saying that whatever this is the internal matter of the country, and that Pakistan has got no say. Arvind Kejriwal has also spoken about the fact that interference from Pakistan is not required, and that India is more than capable of handling its own matters, adding that the situation in Pakistan is bad. They should be focusing on their internal issues. Fawad has now responded, saying, indeed, electioneering is your own issue, but hope you will appreciate that extremism, be it in Pakistan or India, is a borderless problem and dangerous. Meanwhile, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju has hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that Arvind Kejriwal has massive support from Pakistan. This just weeks after a post from Fawad Hussain featured excerpts from Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's speech with the caption, Rahul on fire, drawing criticism from the BJP netas. Amit Bhardwaj has been on that story. Amit, the Chief Minister's response to the former Pakistan minister essentially has blunt in a way the attack from the BJP, who were very quick to attack when he had endorsed Rahul Gandhi's views. I remember Smriti Irani had gone all guns blazing at that point in time. But here, Arvind Kejriwal has said, listen, mind your own business, isn't it?
True, Sneha. Arvind Kejriwal's response in this particular case was quick. And it was quick for a reason. He understood that if there is any delay in the response, the BJP will get an opportunity to attack not only Arvind Kejriwal, but also the India alliance. And that is why, in this particular case, Arvind Kejriwal not only hit out at Fawad Chaudhry, but you can say that he has put the former Pakistan minister in his place. The Pakistan Neta has been put in his place by Arvind Kejriwal. And this is, in two tweets, one after other, Arvind Kejriwal attacked, slammed Fawad Chaudhry, and in fact went on to say that a country which harbors terrorism should not be preaching India, and that India is more than capable of handling issues. Election is internal matter of India. Back to you, Sneha.